How to write good prompts? Well, there is a simple formula. Basically, we need to understand that our query needs to be very clear. So we have to give proper context to AI so it understands what we want it from him. So because it is trained on all types of data, it has no personality as such. So if you want more precise answer or more domain specific answer, then you give it a personality. So one way to give a personality is using a sentence like act as a, say, social media marketer, act as a social media marketer, or act as a uh, musician, or act as an author, or act as a kids story author. Um and so now you are giving personality to AI. Then you are giving your query. Then you are giving some constraints or instructions like should it be how many words, or do you want it in bullet points, or do you want verbose answer, or what. And you also mention the kind of output you want it, uh, which is like bullet points or JSON schema or something else, uh, or paragraphs, etc., etc. And one thing that you can add is examples. So if you give a couple of examples, if that is relevant, then through the examples it even understands better. So let's say if you say that you need to act as a social media marketer and you need to come up with a punchline for something, and here are two sample punchlines that are for this brand, and I want you to work on the similar terms or similar style, something like that. So whenever you explain with examples, the other person understands clearly because he can relate to the examples. So without examples, if you are getting not getting good results, then probably you can add adding examples. And so to summarize, we need to give a personality. So act as a, or you are an expert Python programmer, something like that. Then your query, then instructions like word limit or the kind of output you wanted, and some examples to for reference. That is an ideal sort of a formula. With these four things, you are giving a proper context to AI, and it's likely that you will get better answer. Now it also depends what AI you are using, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot, but nonetheless, it's a trick that you can generally use on any all AI. It works best on ChatGPT anyway.